Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change picture layout option to square in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document and take a oval or round picture. Now we want to change the layout option to this picture. Now we want to change the picture layout option. Click the picture, then go to the shape format menu and select the change shape option, and you can see here many shapes. You can use any shape to this shapes drop down menu. Now I choose the heart shape, and we can see here make this picture heart shape. Otherwise you can choose the square shape. Now I select this square. Now we can see we change picture layout option to square this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.